Hey everyone! Have you just spent hundreds of dollars on gorgeous computer parts only to hide them away inside a dark, boring metal box? Today on Tech Product, we are looking at the best PC case with full-view tempered glass to help you show off your incredible gaming setup like a true piece of modern art. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Dark Flash DS900 PC case with full-view tempered glass, you will quickly see that this is not your average computer tower. Dark Flash has completely redefined the standard PC building experience by combining a truly striking visual design with highly advanced functionality. Building a computer is a deeply personal project, and you want to be able to admire your hard work when it is finished. This specific case is engineered specifically for builders who want their high-end hardware and beautiful RGB lighting to take center stage on their desk. The absolute standout feature of the Dark Flash DS900 PC case is its stunning 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel. Unlike traditional cases that only give you a small side window, this design wraps beautifully around the front edge. It offers a wonderfully expansive, almost aquarium-like view of your internal components. This amazing full-view design allows you to easily appreciate every single detail of your custom build, from the spinning graphics card fans down to your glowing liquid cooling tubes. The thick tempered glass provides exceptional visual clarity while ensuring rock-solid durability to protect your precious parts. Beyond its amazing looks, connectivity is completely seamless thanks to the highly upgraded high-speed I/O panel located conveniently on the top of the case. Dark Flash made sure to include fast USB 3.0 ports alongside a highly versatile modern Type-C interface. These excellent connection options enable blazing fast data transfer speeds for your external hard drives and provide broad device compatibility for all your gaming peripherals. This ensures that your entire setup remains completely modern and highly efficient, allowing you to plug in your phone, headset, or controller without ever having to reach around to the back of the motherboard. Of course, powerful gaming hardware generates a massive amount of heat, so proper cooling performance is a major focus here. The Dark Flash DS900 PC case comes perfectly equipped with 4 premium PWM ARGB fans right out of the box, immediately providing a beautiful glow and strong airflow. If you want to push things even further, the incredibly spacious chassis actively supports up to 10 cooling fans in total, as well as a massive 360mm liquid cooling radiator. This fantastic internal layout guarantees optimal airflow and rapid heat dissipation. Even during your most intense, hours-long gaming sessions or heavy video editing tasks, your expensive components will remain perfectly cool, preventing dangerous thermal throttling. Furthermore, this case includes several highly thoughtful design details that significantly elevate everyday usability and long-term maintenance. For example, it features a highly convenient magnetic top dust filter along with additional panel dust filters. These brilliant additions actively minimize dust accumulation inside the chassis, keeping your glass viewing window perfectly clear and your fans running quietly. Additionally, the sturdy anti-slip bottom structure ensures the heavy case remains totally secure on any desk surface. Finally, the entire installation process is wonderfully simplified through smart, user-friendly engineering. The layout provides completely easy access to all your components and offers deep channels for highly efficient cable management. Builders of all skill levels can easily enjoy a smooth assembly process and totally hassle-free hardware upgrades in the future. By perfectly combining cutting-edge panoramic design with high-performance cooling features, Dark Flash has created a spectacular case that is visually stunning and functionally superior. Are you ready to finally give your amazing computer hardware the beautiful showcase it truly deserves? Check the price link in the description to easily grab this gorgeous case for your next big build. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product so you never miss out on our upcoming gaming tech videos. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, and we will definitely see you in the next one.